Want to set up your HP printer wirelessly using the HP Smart app? Don't worry. This process is actually super simple and just takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through every step to get your HP printer connected wirelessly so you can start printing from your phone in no time. If you need assistance along the way, just call the numbers on the screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. While your HP printer is turned on, press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button together for around 3 seconds. When you do that, you'll see the power light start flashing. After a moment, you'll see the wireless light flashing. That means your printer is now ready to connect to Wi-Fi. Now, grab your smartphone and download the HP Smart app if you don't have it already. Once it's installed, create a new HP account or sign into your existing one. If you need help downloading the app or setting up your account, don't worry. I've got separate videos linked in the description for those. You can pause this one and check those out anytime. Once your HP Smart account is all set up, go to the app's home screen and tap on Add Printer. On the screen that appears, select the New Printer option to begin the setup process. Now, look for your HP printer series and tap on it to set it up. Wait a moment for the app to detect your Wi-Fi network. It should scan and find it automatically. Just give it a moment to complete the search. Once your Wi-Fi network appears in the list, go ahead and enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Then tap on Continue. Make sure you type your password correctly. Now, the app will prompt you to press the blinking information button. That's usually marked with an eye on your printer's control panel. Head over to your printer and press that button now. Once your printer successfully connects to Wi-Fi, go back to the app on your phone and tap on Continue button. The app is going to show you some printing services information. Just read through it and tap on Accept All to move forward. If the app prompts you to install the paper and ink cartridges, go ahead and do that if you haven't already. Then tap on Done. Finally, your HP printer will appear right at the top of the home screen in the app, and boom, you're all set and ready to print wirelessly from your smartphone.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.